Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to simplify this expression in two different ways. Please watch until the end to find out. Our expression is 36 divided by 6 times 6 divided by 3. The first way to solve this expression is to follow the order of operations rules. In this expression, we have division and multiplication signs. If you remember the rules of the order of operations, you know that the multiplication and division have the same priority. So when we have both of them in an expression, we need to work from left to right. So here we start by dividing 36 by 6, which is equal to 6. And then 6 times 6 equals 36. And finally, 36 divided by 3 is 12, which is our final answer. Another way is very simple and easy, and you can use it in any expression with multiple operations. You can change the division sign to the multiplication by flipping the number after the division sign. So if we have A divided by B, we can change the division to multiplication, A multiplied by, but just need to flipping the number after the division sign. So times 1 over B. So in this expression, we have 36 divided by 6. So we can change the division here to the multiplication, but we need to flip the 6. So we have 1 over 6. And I rewrite the expression times 6 and division to multiplication 1 over 3. So now our expression is something like this. But how could this be useful? When we have some numbers or fractions multiplied by each other, according to the commutative property of multiplication, the order in which we multiply the numbers doesn't change the final answer. So we can multiply in any order and we will see that the final answer is the same. For example, when we have some numbers like 2 times 3 times 4, the answer is the same as we multiply 3 times 2 times 4 or 4 times 3 times 2. All of these answers will be the same. So 2 times 3 equals 6 and 6 times 4 equals 24. And here 3 times 2 equals 6, 6 times 4 equals 24. And here 4 times 3 equals 12 and 12 times 2 equals 24. As you can see, all these answers will be the same. So here in this expression, we can first multiply these two numbers. 36 times 1 6 equals 6, and then we can times 6 times 1 over 3, which is equal to 2, and finally 6 times 2 equals 12. Or we can just multiply 36 and 1 over 3, which is equal to 12, and 6 times 1 over 6, which is equal to 1, and then 12 times 1, which is 12 as well. Or besides all of that, we can simply multiply all the numerator and put them on the top. So 36 times 1 times 6 times 1, 36 times 6. And here multiply all the denominators and put them in the bottom. So we have 1 times 6 times 1 times 3. So I write 6 times 3. And then simplify it just like this. We can cancel 6 on top with the 6 on the bottom. So we have 36 divided by 3, which is equal to 12. To wrap up, when you have multiple division and multiplication signs and it seems confusing, you can easily change all division signs to multiplication and then multiply randomly, because according to the commutative property, the final answer will be the same. Thanks for watching this video with me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more math hacks and tips. Until next time, happy mathing!